Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to Sean's Garage. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install this performance kit from Go Power Sports on a Predator 212cc engine. And this is the intake and carb kit. And I think it's around 50 bucks, a little bit cheaper. And there are some Swedish fish in there. I forgot those were in there. And yeah, so today on our difficulty scale, I would rate this one a medium, because it's really not that hard to install. If you just follow my instructions, this should go through pretty quickly and pretty easily. So the tools you need for this are just your standard ratchet and sockets, and the socket sizes that you need will be on the screen now. And you need needle nose pliers and something to drain gas into, and you need a flathead screwdriver. So yeah, let's get right into this. Alright guys, so the first thing you need to do is behind your little stock airbox unit thing, where the carburetor is, you should see, if I can get this to focus, you have a little clip right here and a air hose right here. So right here and right here, you need to take this one off. This one should just pop off. Alright guys, so the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take out these two little bolts right here. You're going to need a 10mm socket for that, so let's do that really quickly. There's one. There's two. I have a little magnetic tray thing that I'm going to be putting these in. You don't want to lose any of these parts, so make sure to, you don't really need one of these, but just don't lose them. Alright, and if you've done everything correctly so far, this should just slide right off. See, that is way easier than you think it is. Alright guys, and now you're going to have your fuel line right here. There's going to be another clip. So you're going to need to take that clip out and get whatever you're going to drain your fuel into. Make sure it's under that. And yeah. Alright guys, I have one of these, just a little clamp, so I can clamp the fuel line. You don't need one, I just want one so I don't totally waste all the gas in there. Alright, well, we got a carburetor off. Let's get to the table where we can install our new jet. Alright guys, so basically there's going to be a lot of gas in here. What I would suggest doing is opening up your choke, just like that, and then just kind of going over your fuel drain thing and letting it drain out. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to take out this little bolt in the bottom. It's a 10mm. Alright, so once you do that, your bowl will come off and that bolt will come off. Let's put that bolt where we won't lose it. And now you should see this little tube right here. You're going to go and get your flathead screwdriver and put it down here, and I'll show you what to do in a sec. Alright guys, so you can see down in there we have a little jet. So you're going to take a flathead screwdriver, put it down in there, and be careful not to strip it. Alright guys, I got it loose. We should just be able to... Alright, there it is. Alright guys, here's our old jet. Let's grab our new one that came with the kit. Alright guys, so our new one's just in this little bag right here. Let's pull it out really quickly. Alright guys, so make sure not to put the old one in accidentally. So anyways, yeah, that would be bad. So make sure to have the side with the, where the flathead goes in, it's facing up, obviously. I don't see how you would be able to put it in otherwise. Oh crap. So yeah, we're just going to kind of set that in there, and then we're going to tighten it down, and I'll be back in a second. Alright guys, now do not over tighten these. You do not want to strip that. You will have to order a whole new carburetor, and that will be a mess. Alright guys, so now that that's in and snug, we can put our bolt back on. And grab our screw and put that back on as well. Alright, so now we can take our little choke thingy and we'll put this back on, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so now that you have your new jet installed, you're going to put this back on. Make sure your gasket's still on there. Alrighty. You have to move that. And you're also going to need to put your little things back too. It's much easier getting them back on than taking them off. Now the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take out the gaskets. And you're going to have two. You're going to find the one that looks like your gasket. This is from the older models, this is from the newer ones. So yeah, but find the one that looks like yours. In my case it's this one. You can even just overlay it. See, it's the same gasket. Alright guys, so before you continue, you're going to need to find this thing. And there's a bag that has this and your screw inside of it. Take this thing, and there's a little hole right here. You're going to take this part, and you're going to put it on where this thing is facing upwards. So just like that. And then you're going to put your screw in right there. Alright, and you don't want to fully tighten that screw. You still want it to be able to move just a little bit. Alright, so now that you've done this, this should still be able to move slightly. You can take this, put it on, and then you're going to slide this part down over your little carburetor thingy. And you're going to take your little screws from earlier and you're going to put those on right now. Alright, now it's on well. We're almost done. We're going to take our air filter. I like to point mine downwards. And now we're just going to put this on. I accidentally put my camera on pause, but where this little thing that holds the choke lever down is, you need to tighten that bolt behind there. And yeah, so you're going to put this hole on, and this cover if you really want it. If you're riding in dirt and stuff, then you probably want it. And then you're going to tighten your hose clamp pretty good. And yeah.